Hi guys, there is more than just a project waiting for you today. Today's video is about a real new age financial institution created by combining the best aspects of basic finance with advanced blockchain features. This project will help you to realize your long-held dream of investing directly in cryptocurrency projects. As always, guys, I'm not a financial advisor and you have responsibility for your investments. Stay with me to learn about this miracle and become a cool investor. Today we will talk about Synapse. It's a full-scale project designed to bridge the gap between investors and potential projects. These guys use the full power of decentralized assets and cross-chain technologies. And the main advantage of the project has to do exactly with the cross-chain solution. It allows users to simply invest into projects in any chain they want without additional transactions or bridges. It's a cheap and faster investment solution. Because of this, the Synapse ecosystem will allow anyone to enter the unique exclusive world of fundraising and participate in promising startups from the earliest stages using minimal capital. These guys are also offering a complete support for developers of new projects, from funding to user support through their own expansive network of experts. Before we talk more about what these guys are developing, let's see who they are. The team consists of only the best experts with more than 20 years of experience in such areas as technical construction, project development, community management, infrastructure architecture, and logistics support. Together they form the coolest international team of experts from all over the globe, standing behind the success of 5 different global-scale startups. So they have been studying the blockchain ecosystem and have found that many of the revolutionary aspects of DeFi are diminished by fundamental problems. Many of the problems are related to security and connectivity. Together with a rather complicated investment process in many projects, these factors discourage newcomers to start their journey in the market. The lack of easy-to-use interfaces to connect to multiple projects simultaneously also reduces the number of interested users. And if anyone decides to study the topic, they are immediately confronted with too many available tools and features. Their number and variety make it difficult to make a well-defined action and investment plan. However, Synapse has built an ecosystem that provides specific solutions for every pain point identified. First of all, they have made transactions more secure with the anti-bot solution. And using an Oracle technology, the possibility of off-network data hacking has completely disappeared. But that's not all. The Synapse team introduced Investor Protector program in the later stages of the bear market. This was necessary to create a more secure environment. In addition to reinforcing quality control procedures towards the projects being launched, they also developed countermeasures to improve the efficiency of staking. In case of events involving a refund, you will get back 100% of your investment. You can read more about the Investor Protector program on their Medium page, guys. Synapse cross-chain integration has created a vast network of easily interoperable projects. Given that everything is on the same platform, the barrier to entry for new users has been reduced to a few mouse clicks. Some of the main project tools include Synapse Launchpad, Synapse VC Fund, and Synapse Tech Labs. Synapse Launchpad is a host of innovative projects looking to make a significant difference in their respective ecosystems. Users can easily invest in their preferred segments thanks to Synapse cross-chain technology. Only the best in their field can join Network Launchpad. A multi-level system ensures fair distribution of project sales. And Synapse anti-bot solutions protect users from flash sales and unstable IDOs. And now, guys, some words about Synapse VC Fund. It's a comprehensive solution that ensures that your project grows as much as possible. It not only provides funding and consulting services, but also opens the door to the global marketplace. Synapse provides multiple cross-network integrations to provide a high level of affordability right from the beginning, full analytical, structural and technological support, community building and development tools, and community management support are also in place, guys. Large liquidity funding is applied to cover project weaknesses and improve key features. Synapse Tech Labs is the fire that fuels the DeFi revolution, so to say. Its cross-network integrations have created an alliance of connected projects and features like never before. DeFi, Metaverse and NFT interoperability on the same platform is right there. SNP is a local Synapse token. It can be used for staking, guys. You can buy the token at PancakeSwap, Uniswap and QuickSwap. Now I'll quickly go through the sequence of steps for those who wanna get into investing in various projects through Synapse. To start, you must have at least 1000 SNPs staked in ERC20, Polygon or BSC network, or an LP itself. LP counts twice, meaning 1000 SNPs in LP is 2000 SNPs. To access the Launchpad list, each user must complete their KYC process and connect their wallet to the platform. Once you meet all the conditions, you can go to the Launchpad and find the most attractive project for your investment journey. Each project displays the available location, sale information, and availability of the sale. This helps users make the right decisions without wasting a great deal of time. Next, you need to make sure you use the same network on both your wallet and the platform page. Synapse has a wide range of networks available and even the ability to purchase cryptocurrency for fiat. Once you've completed all the previous steps, all you have to do is make one click and the investing process is complete. You can find a more detailed guide on their website. I advise you guys to visit their website for self-exploration because there is a lot more interesting stuff there which I didn't have time to show in one video. And don't forget to subscribe to the social networks of the project to keep track of all the latest news. That's all for today about Synapse. Now you know where and how you can invest your savings and beyond, guys. You can also tell your friends, your mom, your hairdresser, and just share the link to the video. And don't forget to like it, guys. See you soon.